This video will provide users with an overview of the catalog features. To begin, navigate to the Carl S. Swisher Library webpage and enter a search into the catalog search box. If I enter the term happiness and search, I receive 64,508 results. On the library's YouTube channel, you can find other videos about conducting a basic versus an advanced search. This video focuses only on a particular feature within the catalog that we believe users will find helpful. So after beginning your search, you would then click Sign In. Go through the authentication process. Your name should appear to know that you are properly logged in. Once logged in, you will see Save Search. This is very helpful, especially if you don't have time to go through all of the results immediately. It is also helpful if you use a lot of filters to narrow your search more specifically. So here, in case I wanted to see all of the ebooks related to happiness, I have now filtered ebooks. And if I filter a number of other areas such as content type, date of publication, and as you notice with the date of publication, it yielded no results. So if I back out and just do fiction, there are 12 fictional ebooks related to happiness. One thing that I can now do is save this search by clicking Save Search, clicking Save, and it will now appear in my Save Search list. Once you sign in, you are also able to access any fees that you may owe, or any books that you have checked out. If we look at our saved searches, which are ordered from the newest first, you will see my saved search on happiness. Yesterday, I did one on mathematical biology. It is still here. So anytime I want to access my previous searches, I would simply click on the link. So back to the search at hand. Another thing that I can do is, of these 12 results, if there are a number that I want to save and return to specifically, I can save them. They will appear in my items. I will now click my items and I will see the list of the 3 items I wish to save or create a list for. You can do this with all items or types of items returned from your result. So here I will say, these are my happiness ebooks. I can make this a shared list, or I can keep it as private. If I wish to make it shared, I can share the link with perhaps students in a group that I'm working with, or with my faculty, professor who is interested in the items I have located for a particular project. I can then return to my name, the drop-down menu, and choose my personal list. This one is in alphabetical order, so I will need to scroll to find H for happiness, and here are the 3 items I saved. You can see the difference because there's a shareable link and I made it shareable. I can retrieve the link here. Folk Tales, for example, is private. I cannot, but I can go in and edit the list and make it shareable if I choose. So now you see that it is now shareable. I can also go back and edit any list to add additional items to it so that tomorrow, maybe I'm looking at happiness, but I need to find journal articles. I can also add them to this list and edit the title. So for now, I'm going to click the list. And there are a few other features I wanted to share. I can look at the ebook, and if there is something in the ebook I wish to quote, I can click Add Note and copy and paste the information here with the page number that I retrieved the information from. This will make it easier to cite, and thus this list acts as a digital index card. All of the information needed to cite these sources can be found here if I click Cite and then choose my citation format. This one I chose MLA, which will be updated in 2021. You can also return back to your search. So if I click back on Save Search, happiness is my first one. And I can use this search to now change my format. So here, if I wanted to now include, get rid of full fiction. And if I only wanted downloadable articles or audiobooks or a musical score, a music recording, video, journal, magazine, articles, I can now select again something different. And I can save the items to my folder. And I'll just do 2 for this purpose. And I can click Move and then select where I want to move it. So I can add these 2 items to my list titled Happiness eBooks, and they will also appear here. I can thus maintain this list with records to refer to as I write my paper and format it. You can also click email, enter your email address, and all of the items in your list will be forwarded to you via email. And again, when you add new items, you can Select only the ones you need the new citation for by clicking Cite, and then copying and pasting the citation into your paper. If you have any questions about this particular feature within the library's catalog, please do not hesitate to contact your librarian at askalibrarian@cookman.edu. Thank you.